In this video, I'll show you how to use speech-to-speech in ElevenLabs. First, open ElevenLabs and sign in to your account. Navigate to the audio or voice tools and find the speech-to-speech feature if it's available on your account. Speech-to-speech allows you to start with recorded speech and transform it using another voice while preserving important elements of the original delivery. To begin, prepare an audio recording. For the best results, use clear speech and record in a quiet environment. Upload your recording to the speech-to-speech interface. Next, select the target voice you want to use. Before generating the final result, review any available settings. Depending on the current ElevenLabs interface, you may have options that influence how closely the generated result follows the original performance. Now start the generation process and wait for ElevenLabs to process your audio. When the result is ready, play it back and compare it with your original recording. Listen for pronunciation, timing, emotion, and overall quality. If you're not satisfied,
Little did
try
she
another
know,
voice or
her
improve
cat
the
Whiskers
original
had a
recording
secret.
and generate it again. Once the result sounds good, export the audio and use it in your project. And that's how you can use speech-to-speech in ElevenLabs to transform recorded performances into another voice.